A licensed practical nurse who was in charge of caring for a severely disabled patient is now accused of raping her. She gave birth to a baby boy nearly 4 weeks ago. Investigators arrested 36-year-old Nathan Sutherland and charged him with sexual assault and vulnerable adult abuse. Carter Evans is at Hacienda Healthcare. That's in Phoenix, where Sutherland worked. Carter, a lot of people glad there was an arrest in this case. Good morning to you.
A lot of people paying attention to this one. Sutherland worked here from 2011 until his arrest on Tuesday. Now, the victim's family has asked for privacy, but they say the 29-year-old is not in a coma. She's capable of some movement, and she responds to sound. They say she likes it when people read to her.
Mr. Sutherland, you're here on one-count sex assault.
Nathan Sutherland appeared in a Phoenix courtroom Wednesday to face charges of sexual assault and vulnerable adult abuse. Police say the licensed practical nurse raped the patient and got her pregnant. She'd been at Hacienda Healthcare since she was 3 years old.
We owed this arrest to the victim. We owed this arrest to the newest member of our community, that innocent baby.
Police were first alerted in December when a staff member called 911.
One of our patients just had a baby, and we had no idea she was pregnant.
Ultimately, investigators asked for DNA samples from male employees at the facility, including Sutherland. Did he cooperate initially when he was asked to give a sample?
My understanding is that he gave the DNA sample after he found that there was a court order which compelled him to give that. He did not volunteer to give a DNA sample.
I was shocked because I knew who the hell this guy was.
Karina Cecina, who says Sutherland worked overnights, moved her daughter from Hacienda after she found out about the incident. Anything about his demeanor that stands out?
No, I didn't think of anything about it. I didn't notice anything. I didn't suspect anything until I saw this picture, and then I was like, oh, I'm talking to a possible rapist.
In a statement, Hacienda Healthcare officials say Sutherland went through an extensive background check when he was hired, and they added they're troubled beyond words to think that a licensed practical nurse could be capable of seriously harming a patient. Advocates for long-term care oversight are calling for action.
Due diligence needs to be done by the facilities as they're hiring staff. There needs to be better monitoring of staff in terms of making sure that residents are protected. It really does put us all on notice.
Now, police say Sutherland has no criminal record. Hacienda here has increased security. The CEO here has resigned, along with a doctor, and another doctor has been suspended. An attorney for Sutherland says he's entered not guilty pleas, and he's going to get his own DNA test. John?
All right, Carter, thank you.